Hey everyone, this is Matt with the Fundamental Investing Institute. Thank you for tuning in today. Today's concept brief, we're going to talk about the two basic sets of accounting rules which most small business owners and investors need to familiarize themselves with. The first, of course, is just going to be the rules that the IRS puts out. Every business has to produce a filing, and it's very important to work with a qualified tax professional on this. The IRS is going to produce rules to recognize revenues and expenses, and produce a taxable income for your tax filings, and that's the set of rules that most small business owners are familiar with. The other is a set of rules that we call U.S. GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. So if we think about large companies, listed companies, when they put out their annual reports and their quarterly reports, they're producing their financial statements under these set of rules. This comes from a body called the Financial Accounting Standards Board. They actually operate under the jurisdiction of the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. The reason in the past when I worked with companies, I always try to get business operators to familiarize themselves with GAAP accounting is because GAAP is created to report financial information to capital providers. It really puts capital providers, investors at the center of the equation. So it's not perfect by any means. A lot of times when I'm analyzing a company, I have to make certain adjustments, but it is really geared towards providing information to lenders and to equity holders and helping them make decisions about whether to lend to the business or invest in the equity. So what I don't do is I don't necessarily recommend having two sets of financial statements because that's usually pretty onerous for your typical small business. But it is important to have some tools which would help you reconcile the information that you are providing to GAAP accounting, and at least do it on certain accounts. So we'll talk about this more in subsequent lectures, but today I just want to introduce that set of rules, generally accepted accounting principles, the importance that those rules are in helping us analyze the financials and helping us with financial management. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time.